How to use phaser in DJ. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this effect. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top, you can see this FX button. Simply tap on this FX button. Now you must be in this square-like icon or square-like space. Now here on the top, you'll be able to see our drop-down button. Tap on this drop-down button. So here you'll be able to see different effects that are available. Now simply select on phaser. So this has been enabled. Now if you simply go back, it has been enabled and now you can use it into your tracks and music. Here on the bottom, you can even use this mixture in order to have a customized way of your own track. At last, you can start having your DJ and it's all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.